Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. A king's daughter was as fair as the moon and admired by all. A Darvish saw her one day and he was about to eat a piece of bread. The food fell to the ground, for he was so deeply moved that he could not hold it. As she passed by, she smiled upon him. This action sent him into a seizure, his bread in the dust, his senses gone. In a state of ecstasy, he remained thus for 7 years. The dervish spent all that time in the street where dogs slept. He was a nuisance to the princess, and her attendants decided to kill him. But she called him to her and said, "There can be no union between you and me, and my slaves intend to kill you, therefore disappear." The miserable man answered, "Since I first saw you, life is nothing to me. They will kill me without cause. But please, answer me one question. Since you are to be the cause of my death, why did you smile at all?" "Foolish man," said the princess, "when I saw what a fool you were making of yourself, I smiled in pity, not for any other reason." And she disappeared from his sight. In his Assembly of the Birds, Sheikh Fariduddin Attar speaks of the misunderstanding of subjective emotions which causes men to believe that certain experiences, like the smile of the princess, are special gifts or admiration, whereas they may be the very reverse, like pity. Many have been misled because this kind of literature has its own conventions into believing that Sufi classical writings are other than technical descriptions of psychological states.